Ever wondered how your phone can turn a simple prompt like dog into a sketch, a cartoon, or a painting without sending your data to a server? That's AI, but here's the catch. Running sophisticated models locally while keeping your privacy intact is a massive engineering challenge. Let's dive into how researchers are solving this and why it matters for the future of AI. Take tools like DALL or MidJourney. They're incredible, but their models are massive. Think of them as high-end cameras that require a power grid. Trying to run them on your phone would drain your battery faster than a TikTok marathon. And if you sent your data to the cloud, privacy becomes a liability. Imagine your unique art style, a birthday card with a cat, being analyzed by a server. Not ideal. There's another hurdle, scalability. When millions use AI, cloud servers get overwhelmed. It's like trying to stream a 4K movie on a dial-up connection. Slow, frustrating, and not future-proof. Enter federated learning, a technique where devices collaborate without sharing raw data. Think of it as a group project where everyone works on their own section and only shares the final result. But here's the twist. Adapting this for personalized AI, like tailoring models to your creative style, has been a thorny problem. Enter LoRA, low-rank adaptation, a method that tweaks just a fraction of a model's parameters, like adjusting a camera's focus lens instead of rebuilding the entire device. This makes AI lightweight, fast, and perfect for on-device processing. Researchers also introduced a cluster-aware system. Imagine grouping users with similar preferences: cat lovers, sci-fi fans, art enthusiasts. Devices in the same cluster share insights to refine their AI, but no private data is exposed. It's like a book club where members recommend stories without revealing their reading lists. The result? A 40% speed boost in AI generation while keeping your data local. No more uploading sensitive prompts, no more lag. It's a win for privacy, performance, and scalability. Testing on the PACS dataset, which includes sketches, paintings, and more, their model outperformed others. It generated images that matched user styles even for unseen objects, like a flower in a sketch style. This isn't just about faster AI, it's about trust. By designing systems that respect your privacy and adapt to your needs, we're building AI that feels like a partner, not a black box. Whether you're an artist, a professional, or just someone who hates waiting, this is the future of intelligent, secure technology.